3, 2, 1.
Which programming language is known as the mother of all languages? The answer is A, Python. Which requires energy to move? The answer is A, weasel. According to Roman myths, Cuba was the goddess of which of these? The answer is B, infants. What are the abbreviations on prescriptions called? The answer is C, SIG codes. Which of the following was the eldest of the Barkley boys in the Big Valley? The answer is A, Gerard. Which designer is famous for the Superstar shoe? The answer is A, Adidas. When two skateboarders push against each other, what happens? The answer is D, they move apart. When a stalactite and stalagmite join together, they form a what? The answer is D, column. Chelicerata are known for their first pair of appendages, also known as what? The answer is B, chelicerae. Which tech giant bought YouTube in 2006? The answer is C, Google. What is the term that refers to stored chemical energy in organic matter or wastes? The answer is B, biomass energy. What is a conditioned response in Pavlov's experiment? The answer is D, the conditioned response. What was the horse named that Poseidon produced during the Battle of Troy? The answer is A, Xanthus. What can be red and blue at the same time? The answer is D, socks. Where might you find some animals being held outside of nature? The answer is D, artificial habitats in captivity. What does Shrek use as a candle in the first Shrek movie? The answer is D, his earwax buildup. What is the traditional Chinese stringed instrument with a long neck and movable bridges? The answer is A, erhu. Which of the following is not a data type in Python? The answer is D, square bracket. The average temperature of Earth's surface has increased approximately 1 degree C in the past century. Which of the following can best explain this increase in temperature? The answer is C, higher levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. I wrote To Kill a Mockingbird, but don't mock me. Who am I? The answer is C. Writer. In fashion, what does pret-a-porter mean? The answer is B. Ready to wear. Which statement best describes all types of energy transfers? The answer is D. They result in decreases in usable energy. Which list is correctly ordered from smallest to largest? The answer is C. Organism, population, community, ecosystem. The Himalayan mountain chain is the youngest and tallest mountain chain on Earth. Which phenomenon contributed most to this area of continental buildup? The answer is C. Convergence of continental plates. The #20 fictional company on the Forbes list is Cyberdyne Systems Corporation, specializing in aerospace and defense. What movie was it featured in? The answer is D. Terminator. What style of architecture is characterized by open floor plans, large windows, and flat or low-pitched roofs? The answer is D. Modernism. Which series is about a detective duo solving cases in Los Angeles? The answer is C. NCIS, Los Angeles. Which gas is used in MRI imaging? The answer is D. Xenon. What was the name of the groovy rock band that often appeared on the Lancelot Link, Secret Chimp TV series? The answer is C. The Evolution Revolution. The main advantage of urea is its very low what? The answer is B. Toxicity. Which piece of cricket equipment is used by the wicketkeeper? The answer is B. Glove. Who won the Formula One World Championship in 2016? The answer is D. Daniel Ricciardo. What is the edible layer of fungus that grows above ground on logs or buried in soil? The answer is D. Mushroom. Birds have air sacs that store inhaled air and push it into their what? The answer is C. Lungs. From which famous university did William Shatner graduate? The answer is D. McGill. Where is the potential energy of a river the highest at? The answer is A. The source. What is the sum of the first 10 natural numbers called? The answer is D. Sum of two primes. What is the shortest second in a day? The answer is D. Civil. What is the world's heaviest book? The answer is D. Moby Dick. Which animal lays eggs called ostrich eggs? The answer is B. Emu. What is the world's most consumed vegetable? The answer is D. Onion. On what date did the Korean War begin, and when did it end? The answer is C. June 25, 1950, July 27, 1953. According to the Bible, who is Jesus' father? The answer is A. God. Which movie star said the following words, "I had to break up with him because he had an incurable disease. I didn't know it was stupidity"? The answer is C. Sandra Bullock in Miss Congeniality. What famous American musician, known for his trademark scars, was born Stephen Victor Tallarico in New York, and why in 1948? The answer is C. Steven Tyler. What is the world's largest gold nugget? The answer is A. Welcome Stranger A. What is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit? The answer is B. 212. Which of these was used by Alfred Wegener as evidence that Earth's continental landmasses had drifted apart over time? The answer is B. The shape of the continents. The term environment of deposition is useful for understanding the characteristics of what type of rock? The answer is A. Sedimentary. The Amazon rainforest is in which continent?